If your car isn't running right and you suspect a worn timing chain or timing belt, stay tuned. Because today I'm going to show you how to check a timing chain or belt using a timing gun. It's a real job taking an engine apart to see if a timing chain is worn and stretched. So today I'm going to show you how to tell if your timing chain is worn and stretched without taking the engine apart. Because you don't want to take all this apart just to find that there's nothing wrong in the first place. You would have wasted all that time and energy. So instead of taking the engine apart, you can use a timing gun. They're really easy to hook up. You just connect it to the car's battery, negative to negative and positive to positive. Then get the inductive sensor, put it over the number 1 spark plug wire near where the spark plug is, and start the car. Then as the spark plug fires, it makes the light go so you can measure the timing. And realize that these timing guns only cost about 25 bucks or so for a cheap one. They're just the light hooked up. They're not that expensive to make. Now, as a mechanic's tip before you check the timing, get some white paint and paint a timing mark on the crankshaft pulley, because a lot of times they're dirty and you can't see them anymore. Now, when you look down inside on the front of the crankshaft pulley, you can see I painted a white line here so it's easy to read when you flash the light on it. Now you can see with the light flashing, the little white mark right here stays in one place at the edge where it's supposed to be. Now if the timing belt or timing chain had been worn, the mark will be way off where it's supposed to be, and when you rev the engine up, it will jump up and down, back and forth, because the chain's got slack and it's bouncing. Now I knew this timing belt was okay because I put a new one on about 4,000 miles ago. But when you don't know how old a timing belt or chain is and suspect that it's got a problem, it sure is an easy way to check it with this gun rather than taking the whole top of the engine apart and feeling the chain or belt with your bare hands. Because when you realize that most modern cars like this 2003 Toyota Camry use timing chains now, and they can be heck to get to, so you'd rather check it indirectly than take the whole engine apart to find out. So the next time that you're worried about a timing belt or chain being worn in your car, why not check it out with a timing light? And remember, if your car has any problems, just visit the Scotty Kilmer channel. Before it's too late.